Rebel Canners, teaching food preservation, including the old ways. Welcome to the dark side. We have cookies. I've been craving pesto, and it's a great way to use up that end of season basil in the garden. So today I made this really delicious pesto. It's sitting in there under olive oil. Doesn't look real great in this little antique blue ball jar. Oh my gosh, have you seen the lids to these? These things are so precious. They have the mock zinc lid, zinc colored lid. So today I've been craving pesto. We're having salmon for dinner, so I made pesto to go with the salmon for dinner. I have the pine nuts, shredded cheddar cheese, fresh basil, garlic, and some olive oil. And it's sitting in there preserved under that olive oil. I'm gonna put that on in case any bugs get into it. I used the recipe out of Nourishing Traditions. Sorry about the car going by. Nourishing Traditions cookbook for my guide, but I kind of winged it on my amounts. I, measure with my hands, not a cup. But it is so good. I will include the recipe here. I will include the recipe here to follow. But it's just basil, garlic, sea salt, pine nuts, and Parmesan cheese, and then a little bit of olive oil. And it's gonna go great with my salmon for dinner tonight. But if you have not, if you have not gotten this Nourishing Traditions cookbook and read it and really read what she's talking about as far as health benefits, you really need to pick it up. I just got it this week for $1 at a garage sale. I've been looking for it, so I was really happy to find it. Stay tuned. We're going to have some more really cool videos coming up. I got some scheduled, so back to canning videos soon. 2 cups basil leaves washed and blot dry. 2 to 4 cloves garlic peeled. Of course I used 4. Half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. 1/4 cup pine nuts. 1/4 cup really good Parmesan cheese, grated. About 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then a little bit more to put on top after it's all finished to store. Puree all your ingredients, slowly adding the olive oil until you get a paste-like consistency. I served ours with our salmon, and it was a great condiment. Rebel Canners is now on Instagram as well as Facebook. Rebel Canners cookbook is available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and at walmart.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see new videos. The best is yet to be. Stay with us.